This is my drawing of Dr. Eggman from Sonic the Hedgehog, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin our drawing on the top center page with the nose. We'll start on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up, and then we'll bend that down. Now I want to create an overlap on either side. So we're going to step up, curve this around the nostril, and then in toward the center point. Let's round out the tip of the nose, go up towards the right, and then tuck that in towards the side. Along the side of the nose, we're going to draw the mustache. We're going to bend this up, and then out toward the left and right side. And you want to add a point. We're just going to bend this in with a short curve. Now there's 3 points on either side. So let's draw the second one, going out and then down. And then again, drawing a short curve coming in to create another point. Let's draw the last one. Bend this out and then down. And I want to bend this up and then curve this down towards the side of the nose. Let's go back up to the top of the nose. We're going to split the brow with a straight line going up. Let's move over towards the left, curve the eye, going around and up, and then flatten that out toward the side. Along the end, we're going to step in, draw the outside edge of the eye, just curving this in towards the mustache. Let's draw a half circle for the head. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, go across, and then back down. And then along the top of each eye, we're going to add a fold to enhance the brow. On the side of the head, let's draw the top edge of the ears, going up and then down. Let's go underneath the mustache and draw the mouth, curve this down underneath the tip of the nose, and then back up, and it'll separate the teeth, starting in the center, and add a few more lines going out toward the side. Let's draw the jaw. Starting on the left side, we're going to step out, curve this across, come in across the middle, then this up on the right side. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the outside of the body. On the left side, round this out. We're going to go all the way around, like a circle, and then bend that in to right about there. Let's line this up on the right. Going all the way around the body, come down, and then pull that in towards the same height. Now leave a gap and draw a short curve, going up and then down. In the center of this curve, draw a straight line to separate the feet. Now round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up toward the left and right side. Let's go back to the left, round out the foot, go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a small gap along the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hip. We're going to step out, bend the leg, coming in and then down on top of the feet. Let's go to the center of the body. We're going to add a curve, coming down, across, and then up. And then on the inside, we're going to draw 2 ovals. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to add a curve, going out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's go back up underneath the jaw, round this out, and then pull that in towards the point across the bottom. Let's go back to the side of the body. We're going to curve the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a half circle, coming in and out for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and wrap that around that bracket. Step down, curve the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm and then bend that up underneath the mustache. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the wrist. We're going to add a curve for the cuff, going up and then out. Add another one just up above. And I'll add an oval button on the outside of the cuff. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Dr. Eggman from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.